Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tina, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and hanging with your girl. So yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning out my refrigerator. Y'all, it was long overdue. I had stuff just piled in there, a lot of stuff that was expired. So yeah, I got in and got all that taken care of. I kind of worked in sections. Like I kind of worked in the door first and got that done because I didn't want the refrigerator to stay open too long. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I just hope you guys enjoy the video.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. 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 All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along tonight.
have made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day this far. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.